purpose, fulfillment, satisfaction. Sounds good, right? In every nation, in every generation, every heart asks this question: who am I? But the answer is only found by pursuing a different question. God, who are you? I want to know you.
I wanted to reach different cultures.
I wanted to know God.
其實我嗰陣唔係好滿足，因為我知道仲有更多嘅，我好想知道上帝創造我嘅目的。
DTS is a time of growing deeper in your relationship with God. This DTS will be bilingual. The first 3 months is the lecture phase in English and Cantonese. You'll learn from great international speakers in the classroom, but also by living together with your fellow students and serving together with full-time YWAM staff. This will be followed by the outreach phase, when we will travel to different places to share the gospel. The aim is to know Him and love Him more. You will become more secure in your identity in Jesus Christ, so that you will be more able to make Him known to others in your words and actions.
God gave me His heart for the nations, and He showed me how to reach them.
I learned how to hear God's voice, and I learned how to share His love.
神向我展現我嘅呼召，令我睇到其實喺佢計劃裏面，我佔領咗一個好特別嘅位置。
He is very excited about His plans for your life. He loves you far more than you'll ever know. But you seek first the kingdom of God. All these things, food to eat, clothes to wear, He'll take care of the details. Will you trust Him?